More due diligence for the Yankees bullpen as they have acquired one Jake Bird, relief pitcher from the Colorado Rockies, in exchange for prospects Rock Riggio and Ben Shields. Jake Bird, 29 years old, former 5th round draft pick back in 2018 by the Colorado Rockies, has been a steady starter in the Rockies bullpen the last 4 seasons, and this season it's been shaky, but 4.73 ERA, 45 games so far this season, 53.1 IP, 62 strikeouts, a 1.481 whip, but also a very good 3.45 IP, or FIP, excuse me. But yeah, we'll see how he adds. They had David Bednar earlier, so we'll see. The pitching is definitely needed, and New York with the Yankees. So best of luck to them down the stretch, and best of luck to Jake Bird.